Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. We all know why English speaking is so important nowadays, right? We want to be fluent in English. We want to learn this language because we want to grow in our career. We want to be successful in our life. We want to earn money. We want to travel, etc., etc. There are so many reasons why people want to learn English, and you all too. Every one of you must have a reason to speak English fluently and confidently. Guys, trust me on this, that is your strength. You have to every day think why you want to learn English or why you want to speak English fluently and confidently. Just think about your goal. Just think about why you want to do this, and you'll see you will achieve it very soon. So reminding yourself of why you're learning this language will really help you a lot in your English learning journey. And it will help you to achieve that goal very easily, quickly, and conveniently. And of course, I'm here to help you out with all of it. So today also, guys, I'm going to continue with this conversational sessions wherein I'm going to talk about how you can have small talks or how you can start one-on-one conversation, right? You have to actually put yourself into a space where you have to speak with people. You have to start from somewhere, right? So these are very short conversations and basic conversations you can start having from today, guys. It's really going to help you. In my last episode, I've spoken about how you can book an appointment with a doctor, how you can book your appointment or a table in a hotel or a restaurant or a salon or a spa. So these places I've spoken about how you can book your appointment, right? So try using this conversation, try using this technique. It's really going to help you a lot, guys. You will actually start using English speaking, right? You will actually start speaking in English with people in this way. So start with this and then you can go ahead and you can increase your difficulty level. If you want to learn more and know more on these techniques and topics and practice sessions, do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to press the notification icon. So let's get started with today's session. We all are foodies, right? We all eat outside. We all use Zomato and other apps to get our food delivered, right? So we do a lot of online. We order a lot of food online as well, right? So Zomato is something where you don't have to speak to anybody. But if you want to order food from McDonald's or KFC or Pizza Hut or any other food chain, if directly you want to talk to them, you can actually have a conversation with them, right? So guys, I would suggest instead of using Zomato, if you want to learn English, if you want to practice English more, start doing this. Start calling McDonald's, start calling Pizza Hut, Taco Bell or Burger King, whichever joint is your favorite. You just start calling them and order food online. This will be your practice session, and of course you will get to eat also nice, good food, delicious food. So today I'm going to talk about how you can order food online. Okay, so again in this, the rules are very simple. There will be two people. One will be me, who will be ordering food, and I'll be calling McDonald's. So other person will be McDonald's, who will be answering my queries or who will be booking my order. Okay, so you can speak after me, you can repeat after me, you can shadow with me, you can practice with me, which is the ultimate goal. So start utilizing these kind of sessions, guys, and start using it practically as well. It is really going to help. So I'm going to come up with this conversation which will really help you. So stay tuned. Hello, McDonald's. Hello, McDonald's. I'm Rita. How may I help you? Well, I would like to place an order. Sure, ma'am. What would you like to order? I would like to order an aloo tikki, a pizza puff, and a Coke. Okay, ma'am. Well, we have a meal option as well where you get an additional French fries with the aloo tikki burger, pizza puff, and Coke. Would you like to order a meal? Oh yeah, sure. Please go ahead. Do you want burger with cheese or without cheese, ma'am? Without cheese. Do you want an extra ketchup? No thanks. Anything would you like to try in desserts? Well, you can add a brownie. Sure, ma'am. Anything else you would like to add? No. Okay, ma'am. I'll repeat your order. You've ordered a meal with a brownie. Yes, that's right. Your order is confirmed, ma'am. Thank you for calling McDonald's. Have a nice day. So guys, it was so easy to call and talk to them. You can pre-decide your order here. Okay, if you don't have an idea what to say immediately, you can pre-decide on your order. You can just check the menu of McDonald's or Pizza Hut or any other food chain, probably a Wow Momo or a Wow China, whichever chain you want to order from. Mainland China, any food chain. So you can just check out the menu, decide on what item you would like to order, and then accordingly speak to them and see what they're saying. Try to answer them. Okay, have a conversation with them. This will increase your confidence, guys. Trust me on this. This will increase your confidence and it will increase your fluency as well. Probably first time you'll be a little nervous. You'll not be able to order properly. But after 2 to 3 attempts, you will be absolutely fluent in ordering food online. Trust me on this. There is no rocket science. It's very simple. 4 or 5 things you have to tell them, speak about, nothing else. You will be able to grasp things. You will be able to understand. You will be able to order fluently and confidently after doing it for 2 to 3 times. Start doing it from today. Make sure next time you order from Zomato, skip Zomato and start ordering it from a food chain, and you'll see the difference. Coming to the next one is how to order food in a restaurant, or how you can have a conversation in a restaurant when you are going to eat lunch or dinner in a restaurant. How you can have a conversation with the waiter. Okay, so I'm going to speak on that as well. So this is the second part of the session. We all like eating outside, right? We all go out to eat, right? With family or with friends. We plan that this Sunday we are going to have dinner outside, or we are going to have this Saturday we are going to have lunch outside, or anything else. So we decide on that, right? Whether we are going out with the family or friends. So we decide to eat out or dine out. So these are the vocabulary which we use, or have dinner or have lunch at a restaurant. So these are the vocabulary which we use for eating outside or eating in a restaurant. Okay, so let's start with the conversation now. Hi, I need a table for 4. Hello, ma'am. Please be seated. I'll just check and let you know. Okay, thanks. No problem. We have 10 minutes waiting, ma'am. Is that okay with you? No problem. That's okay. I'll inform you once the table is available. Sure. Ma'am, thanks for waiting. We have got a table for you. Can you please come along with me? Yeah, thanks a lot. Do you want mineral water or regular water? A regular water will do. Can we have the menu, please? Sure, ma'am. Here's the menu. Great. Give us 5 minutes. We'll call you once we decide on the order. Sure, ma'am. Can you please recommend a dish which is very popular at your restaurant, or which people prefer to eat? Sure, ma'am. Butter chicken is the most popular dish with our guests. You can give it a try. Oh, well, great. We'll order that. Okay. How much time will it take for our order to come? It will take 10-15 minutes, ma'am. Okay, no problem. Would you like to order anything to drink? Oh, yes. 1 lemon soda, please. Sure. Any desserts, ma'am? Oh, yeah. Once we are done with the main course, we'll order the dessert. Okay, ma'am. Any cooking instruction would you like to give? Oh, yes. Please make the dishes medium spicy. We'll take care of it, ma'am. Can you please take the order for the dessert? Yes, ma'am. I would like to order a caramel custard. Sure, ma'am. I'll just bring it. Thanks. How was the food, ma'am? Well, it was delicious. We really enjoyed it. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Any suggestions? No. I think everything was great. Can you please get the bill? Sure. And then once you get the bill, you can just pay the bill through credit card or debit card or cash or anything, and just, you get the money back, and then you can say thank you and you can just leave the restaurant. It's very simple, guys. You just have to decide on the menu. You just have to tell what you want to order. You just have to answer his questions. He just have to answer your questions. So you can just talk about, you can have a conversation there, right? Related to food and nothing else, right? So you are going to have food in a restaurant. So you know what you want to talk about. You want to know what is a popular dish. You want to know what some dishes are about. If you don't get to know, if you are not able to understand what this dish is about, you can just ask the waiter, can you please help me with this dish? What are the ingredients or what is it? So they will explain you about that dish. So these are the things which you can ask or inquire or talk about. So it's very simple. It's very basic, guys. Give it a try. Give it a try, guys. Please. This will actually make you fluent and confident speaking outside with people you don't know. And it's much easier to start speaking with people whom you don't know. If you know somebody, you will get more nervous, right? So start speaking with people you don't know. Start booking an appointment at a hotel or restaurant or an online food ordering online or a hospital or a doctor's clinic or anywhere else, right? Start with these things. Start practicing on these lines, guys. Start doing it right now from today. This is my suggestion. This is really going to make you confident and fluent in having a conversation. So this is the best way. You can start with small talks or one-on-one conversations with people outside. And the best part is these people you don't know. So you'll be much more confident in speaking to them rather to speaking to people whom you know. Right? So give it a try. Start using these things. Start using this way of communication and you'll see the difference. And do let me know your experience in the comment section as well. I am sure this is really going to help you guys. These are very simple ways of having a conversation. And I said previously also, there's no rocket science in this. You just have to decide everything before you can practice these conversations beforehand. Before going to a restaurant, you can start practicing it in front of the mirror. Start video recording these conversations. Like I'm talking, you can just practice it with me here. Right? Once you start practicing it with me, you will get confident. You will be confident of speaking, right? Take your phone, order food online and see how it goes. If you have thought of going outside and eating on a Sunday or a Friday with your colleagues or Sunday with your family, take this initiative. Go to the restaurant and start talking to them in English. What to order and about how to order food there. And start taking small initiatives, guys. These are only going to help you a lot. These are very practical, very basic, very interesting, very simple. Things cannot be simpler than this, guys. Trust me on this. Start using these things and you will see the difference. Trust me on this. So keep practicing, keep learning and keep watching my videos. See you. Bye-bye.